If you're a motivational, inspirational, or content business speaker, the Georgia Speakers Bureau is now accepting applications for new talent to speak primarily in three industries: the healthcare industry, pharmaceutical, and financial services. So if that fits your market and that's your audience, let us know. Put an email in the comments section, your email, your personal email, in the comments section of the blog, and we'll get an application to you within the next couple of days. We have a lot of speakers coming in. We have a lot of current speakers in the Georgia Speakers Bureau to begin with, but we are searching for new talent post-COVID. A lot of speakers retired. A lot of speakers went out of business in the last couple of years, so we are searching for new talent. So if you fit that bill, put your name and your best email address and even your phone number would be good in the comments section of this post, whether it's on YouTube or the Public Speakers blog, and we'll be in touch with you in the next week or so. The Georgia Speakers Bureau, if you don't know, used to be, for 10 years, we were a full service bureau. We charged 25% of the speaking fee from the speakers. And now we're more of a minimum service bureau. We only charge 10%. It's just a referral. So we have clients all over the world, and all we're doing now is just connecting the speaker to the client, and all the bureau charges is 10% for that of the gross speaking fee. So if that's something you're interested in, let us know. Put your email and phone number in your name in the comments section, and we'll be in touch.